Long ago, there was a king who had been ruling for a long time. His hair had turned white, but he still had a great desire for the throne. One day, he organized a big festival in his court and invited his guru and his friend kings. To make the festival more interesting, the king asked to call the famous dancer of the kingdom. In the evening, a great festival began. The king gave some gold coins to his guru so that he could reward the dancer for her beautiful singing and dancing. The dancing continued all night until morning. The dancer saw that the tabla player, was sleeping and laughing. To wake him up, the dancer recited a couplet. It took a long time, but don't let it be disgraceful even for a moment. This couplet was received with different meanings by different people. The tabla player became alert and started playing the tabla. When the guru heard this, he gave all the money to the dancer. He recited the same couplet again. Then the prince's daughter gave her necklace to the dancer. Then the couplet was repeated again, and the prince took off his crown. The dancer was repeating the couplet again, but this time, the king stopped her and said, "Don't do it anymore. You have fooled everyone by saying one or two poems." When the king's guru heard this, tears came to the guru's eyes and said, "King, don't call her a prostitute. She is like my guru. This has opened my eyes, and I've been worshiping in the forest all my life, and if in seeing a dance, I am coming to ruin my sight." The king's daughter said, "You did not want to marry me. Today I wanted to run away with your man and ruin my life. But this has made me realize that why should you ever give me that?" The king said, "Father, you are not giving me the kingdom. I could have killed you along with your soldiers. But this dancer has made me understand that the kingdom will be yours. Why should I bear the stain of his blood, Father?" When the king heard this, he also understood. The king thought, "Why don't I put the taluk on my son's kingdom right now? The guru is also here." The king put the taluk on his son's kingdom at that moment and said to the girl, "Daughter, I will soon find a suitable husband for you and get you married." Seeing everything, the dancer wearing a mudras said, "So many people's hearts have changed after listening to one or two of my poems, but I